Alright, so wonder why Alright, so my background is basil cardstock. That rainbow layer is Dear Lizzie, She's Magic. And my photo mat comes from this pattern, but I didn't write down where it come from. And you're not going to be able to see either. So I did these layouts over Christmas break, but it's taken me a little while to do these videos, but I just want to get them done. The voiceover is done. So, anyway, it's just Ginger's in these videos, and on New Year's Day, she just unexpectedly passed away. So, to do these videos is going to be kind of hard because she's probably in every single one of them. So, anyway. Alright, so the blue pattern. And I'm going to cut out some of these circles and use them. They're cut from Paintbrush Studio Office Hours called Hard Work. Hey Coco, what are you doing? Are you alright? Oh, I think she's hungry. I need to get her some food quick. Alright, so just giving those circles. And I get my die cuts. And the die cuts are from Pretty Little Studio Indian Summer. I only use a few. And this is the September kit. I'm kind of using a Creative Scrappers sketch to help me along, but yet making it kind of my own too. I don't always follow them. I use them a lot sometimes for just to give me ideas for different paper layers and then I go from there. And so I'm just going to use a few of those. In 3 different places, of course. And I'm going to glue everything down and then work on my title. The stickers that I use are Paintbrush Studios Office Hours. here's where I work on my title, which Cot and Bed is American Craft Stay Tuned Thickers, and then what's that noise? And then 4A is American Crafts Max Thickers. Oh. Sorry. Yes, I'm just going to work on my title. I'm just trying to figure out up high, down low. And then I'm going to put that down. And then I'm going to leave for a minute and pull out my Truly Grateful thickers. I'm going to use those in place of enamel dots and put 3 of 3 different sizes within each embellishment cluster, and then that's going to pretty much complete this layout. So I'm going to let you finish watching, and then I'll be back with more. Thanks. Bye.